Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another market analysis video. Let's get right into it. So first off we have Nifty. So Nifty is basically taking a pause now. You see this is a daily time frame. So it has created a small doji. So here we can see the buyers or sellers both are not active. In the sense they are not interested in this price. So what is my next move? So if you see, market's been doing higher lows. Let me show you. This is a high, low, high, low, high, low. So this low is not taken out yet. So I'm not looking forward to sell anywhere as of now because this low has to be taken out. Until unless this low is not taken, we are not looking for any sell positions, and this low has to be taken out for us to go on a buy position. Okay, so this is the view for Nifty for tomorrow. Next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty in 15 minutes time frame. This is, if you see today, as we expected, market gave a breakdown. So this was the breakdown today. We entered a small trade here, but it got a SL. Okay, it was a stop loss. We stayed. We did not trade after that because we did not get an opportunity. So what are my next moves? So now I'm thinking this is going to be a very sideways market for tomorrow. Most probably we can expect a volatile market here. Until unless this level is broken again, that is this level is broken again, we won't be looking for any kind of short positions. For the higher side, that is on buy side, until unless 45,120 is broken, we won't be looking for the buy side. Okay, so market is still bearish, so keep your eyes on only selling. That will be the best thing to do as of now. So let's get into US oil. So today US oil trades were very horrible for me. So I had multiple stop losses today because the market was up, down, it was moving all over the places. Okay, so I had almost had 4 stop losses today, and then I just redid all the charting, because basically why stop losses happen is because most of the time the market becomes uncertain, or the analysis might be wrong. So in this I'm gonna accept it as my analysis is wrong. So what is happening here? So if you see, market is in this range. Okay, like if you go daily time frame and see, market is in a range that is from past 4 sessions it is been going only on the sideways. There is no up, there's no down, it's only on sideways. So this is a pause. We should let the market to decide its trend. Until unless it decides its trend, you're not supposed to trade it. So what are my actions now? If you go to 15 minutes time frame and see, so you see this is a dynamic trend line from the top, which is coming from the top. So in 1 hour time frame, this is a trend line, and this is a small base which is forming. For me, the best price to sell will be this or this. Okay, so because we see market has come down and it's gone up, so there is a higher chance that if I sell here, it might reach my 1:2, but I won't be able to carry it forward because it might U-turn anytime, it might go up. So these are my levels for the US oil, and I have 2 to 3 more stocks for swing trading. So this is Tata Consumer Product. Tata Consumer Product in a daily time frame. You see, it was in a range on a daily time frame. Basically, it was in a range for almost 100 days. It was in a range for 100 days. After 100 days, it has given a breakout. It gave a breakout, but it got failed. Or we can consider this as a support. Again, now it's giving a breakout, and it was in this range. Into 1 hour time frame. So it was in this range. Even this range is broken. So what will be my actions tomorrow? So as soon as the market opens, I'll enter half my quantity here. Okay, and if this sustains here, like if it sustains here, 1 or 2 candles form, then I'll be entering on a full position, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, on a daily time frame, I'll show you my stop loss. On a daily time frame, I want 1 or 2 candles to form here, and below this resistance will be my stop loss. Okay, this is Tata Consumer Product. Next is Tata Invest. Tata Invest was it was in a range. It was in a range and it was not moving for a very very long time, guys. If you guys see this, it was not moving for a very long time. How long? Let me show you. So from here to here, almost 56 days it was not moving. Then it gave a breakout. Now it is retesting. It's coming back for a retest. Okay. So here, what are we going to do? And on a daily time frame, this was the all-time high. That was on September 12th, September 19th. This was the all-time high. All-time high is broken now. So I might enter here with a small quantity, and this will be my stop loss. And my target is undefined because we don't see any kind of resistance on the top. You keep riding this. You don't 1:2, 1:3. Try booking half the quantity. After that, let it run. This is how I trade, at least. Next comes Triven. So Triveni, if you see on a weekly time frame, this was the all-time high. All-time high is broken. Retest is also done. Retest is done here on a daily time frame. It's going up, but this candle is kind of a weak candle for me. This candle is a weak candle for me. Am I expecting another low? No, but if it crosses this high, okay, I'll show you which high. I'll show you clearly. Just a minute. If it crosses this high, I might enter with a small quantity. That is, this will be the stop loss. Stop loss is actually very big. Okay, stop loss is very big. 11% stop. See, when the percentage of stop loss is big, play with the quantity. Okay, play with the quantity, so at least you don't miss out on the trades. Fear of missing out is actually a very bad habit which I am carrying. I would recommend anybody to not carry it because it's not a good thing. So that's it for today's videos, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.